In this video we are going to learn about strings a little more. In last video we have seen how can we take a variable and store different type of values in it. In this video we are going to just focus on strings. So as we know, let's go back to our Python console. As we know, we can store a string in any variable. Let's say our variable is str1 and we want to store anything like coding, and let's suppose we want another variable str2 and we want to store anything like coding maybe. Now here's the deal. String is a series of characters which is stored in this variable, and each character has a position. So let's suppose if you want to access this character, the starting character of the string, what we do, we try to write str2 square brackets and the position of the character. So in strings or in any programming language, the position starts with 0. Like this P is at 0th position, U is at first position, U is at first position, D at second, and so on. So like if we type here 0, the output will be P. Let's see. Yes, it is. And there is one more way of tracking characters with the help of positions, and what we say index in technical form. So now if we try to track it the other way around, we can use -1 as well. So -1 will denote the last character of the string. So you can try it out, str -1, and -2 will be the second last, and so on. All right, so play around with this and you will come to know the working of indexes and all. Now there is one way of slicing up the strings. So how do we slice string, and what does slicing means? So basically, if you try doing this, let's say we want our string from U to N. So this is the first position, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we try to have from 0th second position to 6th position, we keep it in this format and then we press enter and we'll get 0 1 2. Yes, this is right. The 6th position is not included always, and it starts from second position and will end on the 5th position. So now if you want to slice from the second position till last, what will we do? We'll do str2 square bracket the starting position, and we'll just give that sign and we'll leave it as it is, and let's press enter. We'll get the string till the end from the second position, and the other way around we can try. From starting till how many characters we want. So let's suppose we want till the 3rd character, and if we press enter we get the starting of the string. So there is one function which we'll be using a lot in further programming, that is how to calculate the length of the string. So in Python we just type len, and in parentheses we type the name of the string. Let's say we are talking about the string 1 right now, that is coding, and if we try to calculate the length, it will give 6. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is the length of the character. This will be using a lot, and there is some more built-in function that we'll be using. So let's learn few more, like str1 dot lower. What does this function will do? It will convert the entire string. That, let's see, our C was capital before and it converted it back into the lowercase. Now similarly there is one for the upper, str1 dot upper, simple. See, you'll get the suggestion as well. This is upper is to check whether your string is in uppercase or not. So we get the entire string in the uppercase. So this is pretty much it about strings. Later on when we learn a little more, we'll see some more functions that we'll be using further.